Hi, everybody. I'm Jennifer Smith. In this podcast, I'll talk about how you can make a Ikaria juice recipe at home and the benefits of the recipe. If you find it a hassle to prepare the juice or face difficulties in gathering ingredients, you have the option to purchase a Ikaria juice powder. It's a completely organic and genuine product. For a limited time, you can get a 75% discount by clicking the link in the video description below. If the link doesn't work, simply copy and paste the link into your browser, then press enter. The discount will be automatically applied. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into today's topics. Introduction in the pursuit of a healthier lifestyle. The Ikaria Lean Belly Juice recipe stands out as a beacon of vitality. This comprehensive guide will not only reveal the ingredients and steps, but also share personal experiences, expert insights, and answer common questions, ensuring you embark on this wellness journey fully informed. Unveiling the power of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. Understanding Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. Embarking on the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice journey requires a deep understanding of its roots and the plethora of benefits it offers beyond just trimming the waistline. The roots of the recipe, hailing from the Ikaria region, known for its longevity and wellness, this juice recipe is rooted in the wisdom of traditional Mediterranean diets. The carefully selected ingredients have been staples in the diets of the Ikarian people for generations. Benefits beyond the belly. Beyond its impact on weight management, Ikaria Lean Belly Juice boasts a range of health benefits. From improved digestion to boosted immunity, the recipe is a holistic approach to well-being. Ingredients. Nature's bounty. The success of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice lies in its meticulously chosen ingredients, each contributing to the recipe's effectiveness and nutritional richness. Key components for vitality. Explore the key components, from nutrient-packed greens to antioxidant-rich fruits, that make Ikaria Lean Belly Juice a powerhouse of vitality. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in promoting overall health. Where to source the goodness. Locating fresh and high-quality ingredients is paramount for the success of the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. Discover the best sources for these components, ensuring you harness the full potential of nature's bounty. Crafting Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. A step-by-step guide preparing your ingredients. The success of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice hinges on the freshness and preparation of its ingredients. Dive into the essential steps to ensure your juice is a potent elixir of health. Freshness matters. Learn the importance of using fresh, locally sourced ingredients. From leafy greens to citrus fruits, discover the secrets to preserving the vitality of each component for the ultimate health boost. Pro tips for maximum nutrients. Unlock pro tips for extracting maximum nutrients from your ingredients. Whether it's the order of juicing or the type of equipment used, these tips will elevate your Ikaria Lean Belly Juice to a new level of nutritional excellence. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice recipe. Personal experiences. Transformative journeys. Witness real stories of individuals who have experienced remarkable results with Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. From weight loss to enhanced energy levels, these personal experiences offer a glimpse into the transformative power of this recipe. Real stories, real results. Explore anecdotes of individuals who embraced Ikaria Lean Belly Juice and witnessed significant changes in their health and well-being. These stories add a personal touch to the efficacy of the recipe. Incorporating the juice into daily life. Discover practical tips on seamlessly incorporating Ikaria Lean Belly Juice into your daily routine. From morning rituals to post-workout refreshment, find the perfect moments to indulge in this health elixir.